All right, fifth graders, doing some comparing and contrasting of the first two stories from this week, India's ingenious solar canals and buying sunshine with smartphones. So the idea is that you are comparing and contrasting the problems and solutions. So how are the problems similar and different? How do they fix them in ways that are alike and different? Not just one takes place in Kenya, one takes place in India. Okay, that's true about the stories, but the idea is that you are saying what's similar and different about the problem and solution. Okay, so they both use some sort of technology to solve the problem, right? Both of the solutions have to do with solar technology, whether it's solar panels or the solar, what is it, like a kit in buying sunshine with smartphones. But maybe the problem in one is that the water is evaporating. The problem in the other is that there's not enough electricity. So the problems might be different. Is there anything that's similar about those problems? Is it, like I said, what's different? Is there anything similar about how they fix the problems? What is different about how they fix the problems? That's what I want you to focus on as you are comparing and contrasting, not just comparing and contrasting the stories. All right? Again, I'm available to help. Ask questions. Let me know if you are stuck. I am more than happy to help you out. Ideally, you will have 8 different things. 3 over here, 3 over here, 2 in the middle. If you have more than that, great. If you can't think of anything, again, let me know, and I am more than happy to brainstorm with you and help you take a look at the stories again. There's a link. Oh, there's not a link. I will put a link. So when you see this, there will be a link to the text so that you can go easily open the text and take a look at the stories. Take a look back at the stories. Good luck. You got it.